Hello guys, my name is Sachin Advansi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I teach you data science with Python. Today's our covered topic basic of coding. So firstly, be welcome to the data science with Python, my YouTube playlist where I teach essential data science topics and techniques using Python. Whether you are beginner or looking to expand your skills, these lessons will provide a solid foundation for data science and machine learning. Topics are basic of coding. Inside the basic of coding concept, I teach you intro to coding basic in Python, using command for code clarity, executing command efficiency, importing package to enhance functionality, getting data into Python, saving output for reproducibility, assessing record. Second topic is data preparation. Inside the data preparation, adding an index field, changing misleading field values, re-expressing categorical values, standardizing numeric field, identifying outliers for clean data. Third topic is exploratory data analysis. Inside the exploratory data analysis, I will teach you constructing bar graphs with overlay, building contingency table, how to create histograms with overlay, binning data based on predictive table. The second topic is uh, data preparation for modeling. How to data preparation for modeling, like partitioning data for train test sets, balancing the training data set, building decision trees, creating random forest. The fifth topic is model evaluation, evaluating models using performance matrices, accounting for unequal error cost. Sixth is Naive-Bayes classification. Inside the Naive-Bayes classification, like applying Naive-Bayes for classification, neural networks is the seven topics in data science. Inside the numerical networks, implementing neural network for predictions. Eighth topic is clustering. K means clustering for grouping similar data. The ninth topic is regression modeling, estimation, model, evaluation, stepwise regression. How to stepwise regression? Dimension reduction, identifying multi collinearity, applying principal component analysis means PCA, logistic regression modeling. The logistic regression modeling is 11th topic of data science playlist, performing logistic regression, Poisson regression for count data. The 12th and last topic in data science, association rules. Inside the association rules, mining association rules for pattern discovery, confidence difference and quotient criteria. The reciprocity structure is each code file correspond to one of the topics above, making it easy to find and practice specified techniques. Refer to code files to follow along with the videos. along with the PDOs. Thank you guys.